Refined and elegant, the Storm by Cyclone Spas epitomises contemporary luxury and serves as the ideal complement to any backyard.
Seating 6 with 5 deep hydrotherapy seats and a reclining lounge, the Storm delivers a spacious and high-performance spa experience. Choose from 6 back therapies along with neck, leg and foot zones designed to relieve everyday tension. Designed for strong, consistent performance, dual massage pumps deliver powerful hydrotherapy across the entire spa. From powerful full back coverage to targeted pressure, each therapy zone is designed for precision hydrotherapy, delivering targeted pressure through the spine and lower back for focused hydrotherapy relief. Finished with soothing leg and foot therapy for complete lower body relaxation. Built for full body relaxation and consistent hydrotherapy in every seat. Backed by our 7-year key equipment warranty and a 100-year structural warranty. Relax knowing your Storm is built for long-term performance and reliability. For an extra lift in luxury, boost your spa experience with the Select Upgrade package. With the Tough Lock cabinet system, you get enhanced durability with a stylish, maintenance-free finish.
Contact Just Spas today to book a consultation and discover the game-changing Australian-made Cyclone Spas range.